Hey everybody, I'm Mike with MTM Veloci, and today we're going to be introducing you to a brand new product in our offering, which is the MTM Veloci Foam Gun, manufactured by Lafferty right here in the US. This new kit is a complete ready-to-use item that you can connect right to your garden hose and get to foaming. When you open the box, what you're going to find is a bottle of performance soap, a low-pressure spray gun for your garden hose, and on here there is a QC, a garden hose QC at the base, and a plug that we've already installed for you. The foaming head, the bottle, and inside the bottle, you've got a number of orifices, or metering orifices. And this is going to be for proper dilution ratios if you need it. Tube. And instructions. If you do require metering tips, there is an installation tool right here. And this chart that corresponds in color to the metering tips. If you do require a specific ratio, you're going to want to follow this chart. For vehicle foaming, there's no reason to use a metering tip. You can leave it all the way open. But if you do need one, you would install it into this threaded barb right here, using this tool. Since we don't need to put a metering tip in, I can install my tube right onto the hose barb. After I pour in 3 ounces of performance soap and the rest water, I can then install the top foaming head onto the bottle, and my gun is going to go at the inlet of the foam gun. The next step is going to be to install this coupler onto your hose outlet. Simply take the coupler, screw it onto your hose outlet, hand tight only. If you over tighten it with a channel locks or you try to put a bunch of Teflon on it, it's going to twist the gasket inside and you're going to have a leak. So hand tight only. And that's how easy it is to start foaming with the MTM Veloci Foam Gun by Lafferty.